Will this car survive our destruction test? We will see. Let's begin. But don't forget, safety first. We always wear protectives, because health is on the first place. Firstly, we need to clamp Hot Wheels' car securely to avoid any injury. You can see, we use the old robust vise to clamp it. That's gonna be safe. Let's put protectives on and make some fun.
Yeah, buddy.
Come on, turn it on. This car survived so many crashes, but I don't believe that this time we'll survive. Yes, it will not survive. Well, it seems that our car is only the half size now. Special edition? You can see, that guy's made some serious job there. But now, let's back to work and destroy the rests. Oh, where is it? The car is gone, but where? Let's see what remains. Not many parts left. Guys made really serious work
And this is the end.
What? Wait, guys. Come on. It seems that something will be in fire. Flame on. Probably it doesn't smell good, right? Yeah, it doesn't. Not too much remained.
And that's it, guys.
See you next time on Next Destruction. Bye.